Okay, so this is another activity that you might find. It was created on worksheetgenius.com. If you would like more information about that website and how we can use it, then feel free to look at the video that's attached to the end of this session. But I've chosen to just work with the ch sound words. Okay, so you can see the ch special friends because they're together with the ch sound here. But they have to look, the idea is for early, this is for the early stages of spelling. They look at the picture. So you say, oh, what is this? Okay, ball. They might say ball, but you say, hang on a minute. Atch, atch, atch. Now, we know that ball can't be, this can't be the word ball. This has to have atch. So what does it look like? Oh, catch. You're catching the ball. So what sound do you have at the beginning? It's a k, k, curly k. So just bear in mind that they are to write the curly k, not the kicking k, because children do tend to, they tend to guess, they go 50-50 when they hear the k sound. It's either going to be this k or this k. And some of them might even be thinking of them both together, like duck, k. So they some of them, they don't really know which one to go for. But you're just going to remind them, you'll tell them it's C for k, crutch. Now this isn't going to be a k because it's a arch. Some children might find this one difficult because although they've seen this sort of structure on buildings before, a lot of them are not aware of what it's actually called. So let them try and work out what this says, urge, and then you can tell them that's an arch. So that's a case where you might have to just tell them. Beach, each, beach, and so on. So this is just a quick activity for you to do with your child at the very early stages of spelling.